Hey guys, how's it going? You're listening to Healthy Teens, a podcast about every problem that mostly young people ever had. So, in this episode, I'm not alone. My friends would like to join with me, and we're gonna talk about insomnia and toothache. So please welcome Jonathan, Christian, and Ahmad Akil. Okay, Jonathan, you can introduce yourself first.
Okay, hello guys, my name is Jonathan. I am 17 years old, and in this episode I will tell you guys about my healthy problems about insomnia.
Akil?
Yes, my name is Akil. I am 16 years old.
Okay, guys, so first I want to share with you guys about insomnia with Jonathan. So, Jonathan, how do you cope with that problem, and what should we do to prevent it?
Okay, first, don't be overthinker or don't be think too much. Why? Because insomnia can be cured at all,
Okay.
and it's all about our thoughts. If we don't overthink too much, we can sleep easily. And the second way is don't eat sweet food or drink food in the night. Why? Because sugar can make us stay up all night. Okay, that's for me.
Okay. So many young people have that kind of problem is insomnia. So now we'll move on to Akil, and now we're going to talk about toothache. So Akil, how do you cope with that problem, and what should we do to prevent it from toothache?
First, brush your teeth at least twice a day in the morning and at night before going to bed. If you have toothache, go to the dentist and ask for medication recommendation.
Okay guys, thank you so much for Akil and Jonathan for sharing their problem with me. And that's all for today. Thank you so much for listening me, and see you guys in the next episode. Bye bye.
Hello guys, my name is Rafli, and today we'll talk about health problems. So now we have a special guest in here. Can you introduce your name?
Hi, my name is Sophie. Hi, my name is Jihan.
Okay, so Sophie, can you share with us about your health problems?
Yes, I do have insomnia.
Okay, so when did you start feel insomnia?
When I was very busy with my homework.
Oh, so how did you cope with insomnia?
I forced myself to go to sleep before 11 and not think anything before go to bed.
Oh, okay, that's nice. So, how did you prevent the insomnia?
To have enough time to sleep, minimum 8 hours in a day, and make my bed as comfortable as I can.
Okay, Sophie, thanks for sharing your health problems. Okay, so next we're gonna ask Jihan. Hello, Jihan.
Hi.
Okay, so Jihan, what's your health problems?
So in the past, I used to have an eating disorder.
Eating disorder? What kind of health problems is that?
So it's kind of a mental health problem.
Oh, that's mental health problems?
Yeah.
Okay, so when did you start feel eating disorder?
So it started when I realized I start to check every calories of food that I have.
Wow. So Jihan, how did you cope with eating disorder?
So I realized that eating disorder is not only about food but also our feeling. So I start to improve my self-esteem and exchange my life to a healthy habits lifestyle.
Okay, so Jihan, how to prevent your eating disorder?
choose a healthy diet, and do some physical activities.
Wow, that's full of effort. Okay, so Jihan, thanks for answering my question, and thanks guys for watching my video. See you on the next video.
Okay, yeah.
Goodbye.
Alright.
Hi guys, my name is Faiz, and today we're going to talk about health problem. And now we have special guest here. Can you introduce yourself?
Hello, my name is Zahra Zain.
Hello, my name is Raisa Zahra.
Okay, Zahra Zain, can you share with us about your health problem?
Back then, I used to have a sore throat.
How do you cope with it?
I'm making a lemon tea. So first, you need to have a pan with water in it. You boil it and then pour the tea leaves, and you add squeeze of lemon. Then you can serve it with a little bit of sugar if you think the taste is too sour for your tongue.
How do you prevent it?
I am getting rid of cold drink and sleep early because sleep at midnight might cause me a lot of health problems.
Okay, Raisa Zahra, can you share with us about your health problem?
Yes, my problem is my hair loss falls out asleep.
How do you cope with it?
Firstly, we must look for product for hair that contain aloe vera. After that, just apply it to your hair, especially your scalp. Next, wait a few minutes and you can rinse it immediately.
How do you prevent hair falls?
We can keep our hair from falling out by washing it too often, avoiding tying our hair too tightly, and finally, maintaining your lifestyle.
That's cool. Okay. Thank you so much, everyone. And see you on the next episode. Bye.